Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel, and today we are going to discuss some basic questions on indefinite integral, and this will be lesson 1 on indefinite integral. And this will be the question 1, that evaluate dx by sin square x into cos square x. Okay, and how to integrate this, and we can solve this, and the steps are very simple. Sin square x, cos square x. So how to solve these questions? And dx means you can just think of like it's 1 into dx, and in place of 1, okay, we can just write sin square x plus cos square x and divide it by sin square x plus cos square x. So this is an important manipulations while solving this question, because we do not have a formula, direct formula to integrate 1 by sin square x cos square x. Therefore, we are trying to manipulate the function 1 by sin square x into cos square x with the help of sin square x plus cos square x. Now it's a binomial, and we'll divide each term by sin square x into cos square x. Okay, sin square x into cos square x, and if we divide sin square by sin square into cos square x, and sin square will get cancelled out, so we'll just get cos square x. Similarly, if we divide cos square x by this term, sin square x into cos square x, then cos square x will get cancelled out, so 1 by sin square x is cos square x. Okay, now we can integrate. We have a direct formula for integration of this one. This will be, of course, it's not cos square x. It will be sin square x will get cancelled out. It will be 1 by cos square x. It should be sec square x. Okay, this will be sec square x. Right? So we have a direct formula for sec square x. So integration of sec square x is 10x, and integration of cos square x is minus cot x plus c. Okay, this is a very simple question. Okay, we'll just move to next question. Okay, this is question 2, that find the value of integration of sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay, and how to integrate this? And for this function also, sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x, and by sin square x into cos square x, we don't have a direct formula for this. So therefore, we just try to simplify the numerator. Okay, let I is equal sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x by sin square x into cos square x dx, right? So just simplify this sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x by a cube plus b cube. So sin to the power 6x can be written as sin square x 3 plus cos square x whole 3. You can just write in this way. And sin square x, we'll just keep this one as it is. Now this is a cube plus b cube. So we're just going to write the formula for a cube plus b cube. Alright, a plus b, that is a is sin square x and cos square x plus cos square x. It's a plus b. Then a square. A square means already a is sin square x. A square means it will be sin to the power 4x plus b square. What is b here? B is cos square x. So b square means cos to the power 4x minus. That's a plus b. A square plus b square minus ab. A means sin square x into cos square x. Done. So it's a plus b. A square plus b square minus ab, and denominator is sin square x cos square x. Done. We'll just go to simplify this. How to simplify? This is equal to 1. Right. Again, sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. We can again simplify these expressions. We'll just move to the next slide. Okay. And denominator is sin square x into cos square x, and this term was sin square x plus cos square x. This is 1. We'll just, in place of sin to the power 4x, we can just write sin square x, okay, whole square plus cos square x whole square. And here the term is sin square x into cos square x. Right? You can just put a bracket there and a dx. Okay, let's just written the same. The first term, okay, is 1 and the okay, and this term is sin theta 4x. Sin theta 4x can be written as sin square x whole square. And second term, similarly, you understand this cos square x whole square minus sin square x into cos square x. Now, in this place, sin square x plus cos square x, that means a square plus b square. We'll be using that formula for this. Again, to simplify. Okay, so a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. That is sin square x plus cos square x whole square. Alright, minus twice ab and minus 2 sin square x cos square x, and already minus sin square x cos square x there. So it comes to be 3 sin square x and cos square x. Right? So first term a square plus b square. Just we are writing the formula for a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus twice ab. From there we just get this formula, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Right? Okay, minus twice ab. So from there we get minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Already sin square minus sin square x cos square is there. So both the terms gives us minus 3 sin square x cos square x into dx. Done. Okay. And what's the next steps? So it's 1. So 1 square is 1 and minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Done. So sin square x cos square x. Fine. Into dx. Okay, now we'll just be dividing 1 by sin square x into cos square, which will be similar to question 1. Okay, and we'll divide into 2 integrals. So what is the next steps? We can just write the next steps like that, right? So it's 1 by sin square x cos square x dx, right? It's like question 1. Fine. Minus 3 you can take out. So sin square x by cos square x if you divide, so just get OD dx. Fine. 3 into integration of dx, because it will get cancelled out. So, and this you will understand this can be done exactly like question number. In fact, it's question 1, right? Okay. So, but if we write the step like this, so just in place of 1, you can just write sin square x plus cos square x and cos square x, and it is sin square x into cos square x dx minus 3, okay, and into dx. Now, if we divide sin square x by sin square x into cos square x, it is sec square x and cos square x get cancelled out. 1 by sin square x, it's cos x square x. Fine. Into dx minus 3 dx. Okay. So integration of sec square x is, right, 10x, and integration of cos x square, what already we have discussed, it's minus cot x. Fine, it's minus 3, and integration of dx is x plus c. Yes. So this is very important questions. Only the thing is that here simplifications, that you need to simplify these expressions, so that it becomes easy the moment you simplify that expression with the help of simple formula. Okay, well, just can move to the next question. Okay, this is find the value of integration of cos x minus cos twice x by 1 minus cos x dx. Right, here also, the moment you see this function cos twice x, right, you need to simplify this cos twice x now, because here the first function is cos x and minus cos twice x, and denominator is 1 minus cos x. So definitely you need to simplify the numerator now, and we are going to write the formula for cos twice x. We'll just try to write cos twice x in terms of cos x. Okay, so how can I just solve this? Let I is equal to cos x. Okay, just write the cos twice x formula in terms of cos, right? So this is 2 cos square x minus 1 and 1 minus cos x dx. So now what's the next step? So simplifying, start simplifying. Okay, how can you simplify cos x? Minus 2 cos square x, it's plus 1. Fine, it's 1 minus cos x dx. So what's the next step? Right? So next step, you can just simplify with this. Okay, I'll just take a minus sign. You can take minus common. I'll just arrange in an order this function cos x minus 2. If you take minus common, it will be 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1 and 1 minus cos x. Done? Dx. Okay, and if you take common 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1. So it's a very simple expression. You can factorize this expression. You can factorize in terms of 1 minus cos x. So let us factorize this numerator. Okay, how to factorize the numerator now? We'll just use this minus sign to reverse the sign of the denominator. Okay, so instead of keep writing this minus sign, so we just can write cos x minus 1. Right? We can write cos x minus 1 and this 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1 we can factorize. Okay, 2 cos square x minus 2 cos x and plus cos x minus 1. In fact, these are the steps you can write directly also. So to save time in exam, this factorization you can write directly. Okay. Now what's the next steps? So cos x minus 1, and if you take 2 cos x common, okay, 2 cos x common, it will be cos x minus 1, and if you take plus 1 common, cos x minus 1 dx. So the next step is 2 cos x, okay, 2 cos x plus 1 and cos x minus 1 and cos x minus 1 dx. Fine, so just cancel out this. So what's left out is 2 cos x plus 1. So you can just integrate. 2 is constant and this will integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Then 1 dx. Integration of dx is x plus c. So the steps are as simple as this. So just we have factorized the numerator, and after factorizing, we're just trying to write in terms of cos x minus 1. So it get cancel out. Right? Then you can just integrate separately. 2 is constant, cos x integration is sin x, and 1 dx, integration of dx is x plus c. Okay, so just move to next question. Okay, it's also a very simple question that is similar to the previous question, question number 3. This the polynomial x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay, this one you need to write in terms of, this one you can factorize, you can write in terms of x minus 1. So steps are very simple, you can just write this. So from these 2 terms you can take x square out, so it will be x minus 1. From these 2 terms you can just take 1 out, x minus 1 dx. These are all questions are there in NCERT. These are all the basic questions, but important, right? Okay, x square plus 1 and x minus 1. So just can cancel this. So and next you can integrate. X square integration is x cubed by 3 and 1 dx integration is x plus c. So the steps are as simple as this. Okay, just move to next question, right? Okay, how to solve these questions? If the dx of fx is 4x cubed minus 3x to the power 4 and f2 is equal to 0, so you need to find the value of fx. It's a very important question. Okay, we need to find the value of fx. So let's just start from this. See these expressions, what is given? So the dx of fx is equal to 4x cubed minus 3x to the power 4. So from this, we can just start this. Given the dx of fx, okay, and 4x cubed minus 3x to the power 4. Fine. So what I'm going to do is, we're just going to integrate this. If we integrate, right, so we can just integrate. If you integrate, this is the dx of fx, so if you integrate, we'll just get fx, right? We'll get fx, and you can just integrate this 4x cubed minus 3x by 4 into dx. Because the moment you differentiate the of fx, you're going to get fx. Right? And you can integrate in terms of dx, 4x cubed minus 3x to the power 4 into dx. So we'll just integrate this. So if you integrate, so it will be 4 and x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 minus 3 and 1 by x to the power 4 integrations. So okay, it will be x to the power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c, because 1 by x to the power 4 integration is okay x to the power minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1. If you just bring it x to the power 4 out, so it's okay, if you integrate it will be minus 4 plus 1 and minus 4 plus 1. So x to the power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c, the constant of integrations. Now we just cancel out 4 4, it will be x to the power 4 and 3 3 cancel out, it's plus 1 by, you can just write x to the power minus 3 is a positive exponent plus c. It's almost done. Fx, we got the value of fx, x4 plus 1 by x3 plus c. But we need to get the value of c, the constant. We can get the value of constant utilizing these 6 steps. That is, f of 2 is equal to 0. That means if the value of x is equal to 2, then f of 2, okay, the functional value f of 2 should be is equal to 0. So how to find that value? Okay, so we can calculate this value with the help of this expression. This, right, from this expression fx. So use this, that given, okay, since f of 2 is equal to 0, but therefore we'll just write f of 2. We'll write f of 2 and okay, the x value is 2, so it will be 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 to the power 3 plus c. Fine, because this f2 is 0 means x equal to 2. So just putting x is equal to 2. Okay, so what's the next steps? Next step is, it is already given f of 2 is equal to 0. So 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 1 by 8 plus c. So just get the value of c now. So we can write the value of c like that. C is equal to minus 16 plus 1 by 8. So this is the value of c. So this gives us, okay, this is minus and it's 8, 16 plus 8, okay, 128, 128 plus 1. So just 129. Okay, this is 16 into 8, right, 128 and plus 1, it's 129. So it's minus 129 by 8. So therefore, you can just write the value of fx. So what is the value of fx? Fx is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c. So therefore, you can write, okay, therefore, you can just write the value of fx. Fx is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 3 and c value is minus 129 by 8. So this is the answer for these questions. So let's move to next question, that is question 6. Okay, find the value of integration of 10 to the power 4 root x sec square root x dx by root x. So how to solve these questions? So just substitute the value of root x. Okay, so we'll just solve this with the help of method of substitutions. Let root x is equal to t. So if root x is equal to t, we'll just differentiate this. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Let's just write the value of integrations. This is I is equal to, okay, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4 root x, just replace root x by t, 10 to the power 4 t. Okay, now 10 to the power 4 t and this will be sec squared and this is c. So what is left out is dx by root x. So dx by root x is this 2 you can multiply with dt, that is 2 dt. Alright, 2 dt. Fine. Okay, so I just can take 2 out. So it will be 10 to the power 4t sec square t dt. Now again, we need to substitute this value, that is 10t. We just can write, let the second substitutions. Let 10t, okay, 10t is equal to y. If 10t is equal to y, then we can differentiate this. Okay, we can differentiate this 10t. 10t if we differentiate, this will be sec square t dt dy. You can just write in this way. So what's the next step? 2. So in place of 10t you are writing y, so it will be y to the power 4 and sec square t dt. So sec square t dt is equal to dy. Fine. So you can just integrate this. So if we integrate, this is 2y to the power 5 by 5 plus c. Then what is y? Y is equal to 10t. So this is equal to 2 by 5, 10 to the power, okay, 5 t plus c. Now finally we need to substitute a value of t. What is the value of t? T is equal to root x. So you can write 2 by 5, 10 to the power 5 root x plus c. So start with this question. If we start with simple substitutions like, okay, root x equal to t, then it gets simplified to these expressions. Then again you can substitute, right, 10t value, 10t is equal to 1, and you will obviously follow these simple steps. Okay, and just move to next question. Okay, find the value of integration of sec x dx, right? Sec x dx is a standard integral. How to integrate this? There is a standard steps to be followed for this, because we do not have a direct formula for integration of sec x. So what I am going to do is, just will multiply the numerator and denominator by, it's a very useful term, sec x plus tan x. We will just multiply numerator denominator by sec x plus tan x. Fine. Okay, just we'll multiply, that is sec x into sec x is sec square x plus, that is sec x tan x, okay, dx, and the denominator is sec x plus tan x. So I'm going to take this one. We'll just solve this one by method of substitution. We'll substitute this. Let sec x plus tan x equal to t. So if you differentiate this, so what is the differentiation of sec x? Okay, sec x tan x, and differentiation of tan x is sec square x dx equal to dt. Have you seen that? So the moment you substitute this, okay, you get exactly the numerator, that is sec x tan x plus sec square x dx equal to dt. So this gives us a very simple expression. What is that? So this is equal to, okay, this, the numerator, this expression can be replaced by dt. So it's dt and this is t. So it gives us dt by d. Okay, dt by t is equal to log mod t plus c. So it's becoming a very simple integral. In case if we start the given expressions with the help of the multiplication of sec x plus tan x, log sec x plus tan x plus c. Done. So it's a very simple but useful integral. Okay, we'll just move to next questions. Evaluate dx by x plus x log x. So it is also a textbook question and CAT text. So we'll just how to solve this integral. To solve this integral, we'll just follow a simple steps in the denominator. We'll just take x common. So it's 1 plus log x, and then rest I hope you understand what to be done. Okay, we'll just substitute 1 plus log x is t. Let 1 plus log x equal to t. Then we'll differentiate. If we differentiate 1 by x dx equal to dt, right? Just if we differentiate, log x is 1 by x, dx is dt. So this gives us that this one can be replaced by t, and dx by x, this term is left out, dx by x is dt. So and dt by t is log t plus c. Okay, these are all important basic questions, and if you cannot ignore all these questions, the moment you will have a hold on this type of questions, you become expert in solving like these questions, you will just get the confidence, and slowly you can take questions of more difficulty level, and you will enjoy integrations. Okay, and log t value, it's 1 plus log x plus c. Fine. We'll just move to next. Okay, I'll just take these questions. Right. The find a value of. Okay. Find a value of integration of e to the power twice x minus 1 e to the power twice x plus 1 dx. It's simple, but you need to know a simple trick. Okay, how to solve this? Let I is equal e to the power twice x minus 1 e to the power twice x plus 1. So as you have seen that as it is, it cannot be solved by method of substitutions, because if you substitute e to the power twice x plus 1, so differentiation is not e to the power twice x minus 1, right? Okay, so just what you need to do is, each and every term, that is numerator and denominator, will be dividing by e to the power x. So if you divide e to the power twice x by e to the power x, it gives us e to the power x. And in case if we divide 1 by e to the power x, right, it will be e to the power minus x. So what we have done, the denominator we have divided by x. So similarly, the numerator also to be divided by e to the power x. So e to the power twice x is e to the power x minus it will be 1 divided by e to the power twice x is e to the power minus x. So we'll just change the equation by dividing both numerator and denominator by e to the power x. Now, the moment you know how to write the steps, the rest is very simple. So obviously, maybe the steps is coming to your mind that how to solve this question. So just substitute e to the power x plus e to the power minus x as, okay, is equal to t. So in case, if you differentiate this, so it will be e to the power x, and what's the differentiation of e to the power minus x? It's minus e to the power minus x dx equal to dt. So therefore, this gives us, this is equal to dt and this is equal to t. Again log form. This is equal to log, okay, both t plus c. Then answer is log, okay, e to the power x plus, okay, e to the power minus x plus c. So since e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is always positive, so we just can write only the first bracket, that is log ex plus e to the power minus x plus c. Okay, so just take the last question for this, the first video on indefinite integral. Okay, so how to integrate this question? This is also a very important questions, like this forms are there, that is integration by 1 plus cot x, integration by 1 plus tan x, all similar types. Okay, so how to solve these questions? Let I is equal 1 plus cot x. So cot x will write in the form of cos x by sin x. Okay, cos x by sin x. Then, right, this will be sin x plus cos x. Okay, sin x. Okay, sin x by sin x plus cos x. Now the thing is that at this point, like, we can't integrate this function, that is sin x by sin x plus cos x. Therefore, we need to manipulate these expressions. So most important is how to manipulate this. Okay, so just taking these questions only to learn this. The moment you just solve 1-2 questions, so obviously you'll remember the steps. Okay, steps are not difficult at all, right? Only you should know, like, what is the logic, that why you will be manipulating the numerator and why it's necessary. Okay, so I'm just going to explain this, and after that we'll wind up for today. And only request is, okay, and since I've just started integral now, and I'm just planning to, okay, upload as many videos as possible for integrations. Like I'll just continue both indefinite and definite integral, okay, and then it will continue, because that integral plays a very important role for your preparation in class 12. Okay, only I just request you that if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, and if you know like someone who is in this class and they might need these classes, and please share these videos so that others will also get the benefit. Okay, and with this, just complete this question. Okay, and what you need to do is the numerator, these expressions. So always just try to write an expression which is similar to this. So just what I'm going to do is, I'll just write sin x plus cos x. Okay, and here already sin x plus cos x is there. So what is the logic for this? I'll just understand, let me complete first. Sin x plus cos x, I'm just writing this one in terms of this. Then what I'm going to do is, I'll try to write a function which is the differentiation of sin x plus cos x. So what I am going to write is here, okay, just minus, okay, the logic behind minus you will understand. The differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, minus sin x. Fine. Now you check like what is the difference between this expression and sin x. Okay, and here sin x plus cos x, this cos x minus cos x will get cancelled out because we don't need cos x there. So therefore I'm just putting a minus sign. And if we multiply this second expression, it will be plus sin x, and there is already one sin x is there, so it will be 2 sin x, but it has to be 1 sin x, or just multiply it by half. Okay, done. So this is the manipulation steps, right? First, this expression we are trying to write in terms of the denominator, and therefore this cos x you are adding extra, so we'll try to subtract cos x. Okay, and this expression you don't need to just mark up. You think in this way that this expression to be the differentiation of sin x plus cos x. Yes, of course, that question wise these steps may vary because the manipulations steps depends on a question. Okay, so now what should be the next steps? So next step should be, we'll just separate the integral. So we'll just separate the integral. Okay, we'll divide this expression by this. So we'll just get 1. So this is 1 and this is minus, and this will be cos x minus sin x, and sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Fine. This is dx. So we'll separate the integral now. Okay, we'll just separate the integral. If you divide this one by this, it's 1, and you divide that cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x. Now we'll okay, if we divide, this is half, this is 1 into dx is dx minus half. Okay, cos x minus sin x and sin x plus cos x. Okay, so integration of dx is x, so it's x by 2 minus half. And if you substitute, this is equal to t. Right? If it is substitute t, that is sin x plus cos x, the differentiation will be sin x differentiation is cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So it will be dt by t form. So dt by t form is log t. So like this, many questions we have done today. So log of t. T means sin x plus cos x plus c. So have a seen this questions also becoming so simple in case if you know the manipulations, and therefore we need to do lots of practice for solving like these questions. Okay, so for today this is lesson 1, and we have done 10 very important basic questions. Okay, and thank you so much for watching my video, and please visit my channel. I'll be uploading next the second video on indefinite integral. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.